Rhea. Show me a thing.
There's two people coming. $2 popsicles.
How's it going, Ryu?
$2 popsicles.
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, we got the hustler out here. Ronan ain't playing with nobody.
$2 popsicles. $2 popsicles. $2 popsicles.
It's okay.
Popsicles. $2 popsicles. $2
Ryu, how hot is it outside today?
Really hot. $2 popsicles. $2 popsicles. $2 popsicles. $2 popsicles.
She only said something because we got her on camera. she only acknowledged the kids because we caught her on camera. She didn't want to look bad. And so, Ryu and Ronan gets their first sale of the day. I don't want to put it
Here.
I have a wallet in my book bag.
Okay.
He buys the phone. He buys $2.
Thank you guys.
Of course. Let's do this one. Thank you. What do you say?
Oh, they tipped you guys. Say thank you.
We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. See?
Put it in your thing.
Yay!
See, would you believe it or not? A lot of stores start like this, right? And then all of a sudden you have a company once you're able to build up.
We got a store.
You never know. One day you guys will have a popsicle store, right?
Or a popsicle bike,
That too.
like the other one.
Yeah, a bike that shoots popsicles into your mouth. That'd be cool. Popsicle juice.
Thank you. Sorry, don't let me
How you doing?
We have $5.
Oh yeah?
Yes, we have 5. Cause the next customer, he gave us $3.
He sure did.
And it's actually $2, but he gave us 3.
In business, right? There's this thing called the laws of average, right? For every 100 person you speak to, you make 2 sales. You guys spoke to about 15 people and made 2 sales already, so that's good.
$2 popsicle.
Excellent numbers.
$2 popsicle.
See, this is part of my business class right now, all right? This is kind of like a field trip.
Field trip.
Yeah.
We're still in America.
You can take a field trip while you're still in the same state.
Yeah.
That's called planting the seed, all right? When somebody walks by and say that they're gonna come back, you give them your information and stuff. They're gonna come back and gonna buy. You just gotta follow up, okay? Planting the seed.
Look.
Huh?
Should I take the ice off? Some of it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Lift up it.
You want to dump the rest of it?
Yeah. Where's my money?
Yeah. fan it and put it in your face like this. Yeah, dude.
Do it again, Ree. You're funny, girl.
I want to ride one of those electric scooters.
You want to ride the scooter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
Hey, can you say that again, mommy?
You can't eat your product.
On the streets, we call that you can't get on your own supply. All the adults can fill in the blank.
Me, don't